It's not foodie time yet. Okay. Shush. No. It's not foodie time. No. But I got my mic on and everything. Winter, please don't be a naughty boy. Hello, welcome to Annie Buns. Today we are making something very easy. So this is for that night that you just got home, you've got defrosted chicken or you bought chicken and you want to make something nice, but you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. This recipe is for that, and it is absolutely delicious. So this is what you're going to need. For this recipe for us, I normally do 8 pieces of chicken. So I've got 4 nice big chicken thighs and I've got 4 nice big chicken legs. Lots of potatoes. I think there's about 7 small medium ones that I cut in quarters. 2 onions, and I cut them in quarters and I made delayered them. I don't know what do you delayer an onion? Whatever. My fiance was naughty this week, so he's only getting half a packet of mushrooms, not a whole packet. I'm sorry. And then I have a cup of chutney, a cup of mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of, what is this again? Cheese spread. You see, about a 1/4 cup of honey. Now this honey comes directly from the garden from my mother-in-law. So thank you very much for that. This is the best honey, I'm telling you. Then we've got cream of chicken soup and a packet of cream of mushroom soup. And then here at the back is the things I didn't measure out because it's murbei, you know. Okay, got my block of chicken stock in the little container. I'm gonna add about that much of boiling water to dissolve it. A couple of squirts of lemon juice, nice thick cream, yummy, yummy, yum. Some salt, Worcestershire sauce, chicken spice, and I've got oregano as well here. And then last but not least, most importantly, a glass of white wine. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not white wine drinker, but white wine goes perfectly with chicken, so I decided on white wine. If you don't have white wine, just drink red wine. And then of course, okay, the side dishes is you can make vegetables of your choice and you can do rice or pasta of your choice. Okay, so let's begin. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so first I'm going to take the chicken. So you take the largest dish that you have and then you put your chickens in it. Spread them all over the pan, contain, what is this? Dish. You're going to take the onions. I'm going to pour them over. Spread it out over the whole dish. Do the same with your mushrooms. Spread it out all over the dish. Put your potatoes over. So you can add carrots or you can add, I don't know, pieces of pineapple. Pineapple should be nice. So you can add whatever veggies you want. I think it's more the sauce, which is the basic idea of this dish. So that's all in. I'm gonna put that aside. I got a bigger jug. Okay, so I'm gonna make the sauce in here. Your cup of mayo, all in there. Your cup of chutney, in there. Your honey. And your cheese spread. Take your lemon juice and just squirt it all over. The lemon juice helps the chicken to go soft, so if you like lemon juice, put lots on. If you don't put lots on. My chicken spice. As I have mentioned before, I like putting the spices in the sauce and not directly onto the meat because it dehydrates the meat. I don't know where my Italian herbs are today, so that's not going in. A couple of squirts of Worcestershire sauce. Some of that. Give me a minute, let me boil some water quickly. What is that cat playing with? I'm still recording, I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil.
Okay.
So this will be a deleted scene.
I can smell that spice.
Okay, it's the honey from your mom's garden. Yo, that honey is sweet. Yo, just a little bit of boiling water, just to dissolve it. Okay, and I'm just going to stir this while it's very thick. So if you can't stir it, don't stress. very thick. It's not necessary to stir it yet. I'm gonna add some cream. I don't measure. I hardly ever, I especially measured those things to tell you, to give you a measurement. But the milk and cream, water, that's all up to you. I like creamy. Okay, it's probably about that much. Now I'm going to add the sachets of this in here as well. Quite a very, very thick sauce, but we are going to add lots of water to it. And this is going to thicken in the oven. While I'm doing this, I have a tip. So what you can do, once you've finished eating, there's going to be some sauce left. So you can save the sauce, and then tomorrow you make 2-minute noodles, pasta, and you just mix the sauce with that. And if you want to, you can fry some bacon and just put it in, and you've got a bacon pasta. Okay, I'm just gonna fill this with water. It doesn't have to be mixed fully. Anyway. Okay, so this, you're gonna just pour over the whole dish. And it's gonna spill, it's gonna mess. Can't really keep this thing closer. There we go. This is a very, very thick sauce. Just moving everything so the sauce can go like underneath the chicken, just to make sure the sauce goes through everything and over everything and under everything. Bake this for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Because everything is still cold, the oven needs to heat it up and then start cooking. So the chicken's not gonna cook in the first half an hour. So that's why I say 1.5 hours. Here we go. Okay, now it's cleaning up time, and then I'll see you 2 glasses later, maybe 3.
A few moments later.
So one thing I didn't mention earlier, you can parboil your potatoes before you put it in. I normally put them in the microwave for about 10 minutes. It has been done. It is time to take out the final product. Snazzy little oven mitts. Please do not drop this. I've been dropping lots of things today. And there we go. Just mixing everything in. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna dish up. There's a thigh, some potatoes. Oh, just look at that. I do want a drumstick as well. There's one. So with this, I made macaroni. So we weren't entirely extremely hungry, so I didn't make any veggies this time. As long as it's got something, enjoy the sauce with. Because the sauce is definitely, oh. And there we go. There's my plate of food. I want another. See, I don't like the onions or the mushrooms, so I'll have another potato. It's hot. Oh my word, it is fantastic. Okay, now that my mouth is burning less, please let me know what you think of the video. Like it, subscribe, leave a comment. Please share the video. The more you share it, the more people see it, the more subscribers I get. And you are welcome to make suggestions. I will make anything nice that you suggest. I will give it a try. Enjoy, and I'll see you sometime in the next video. I'm gonna get fat.